If you are looking for best car vacuum cleaners, this video is for you. Let's get started with the list. Product number 1, most popular Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Lithium-ion Cordless Hand Vacuum. Product number 2, HOTOR 4's Corded Car Vacuum. Product number 3, Bissell Lightweight Cordless Hand Vacuum and Car Vacuum.
When a young fairy gets her wings, she tends to make a mess of things. She runs and jumps and flies through the air, sprinkling her pixie dust everywhere. Fairies are nimble and fairies are quick, so cleaning up after them can be quite a trick. But a hero has come to save the day, reaching high and low spaces where fairies play. A motorized brush pulls up dirt and debris, and a flexible wand whisks away confetti. With a variety of far-reaching onboard tools, the Multi is prepared for most cleaning duels. Powerful suction vacuums hard-to-reach spaces, and a long-lasting battery cleans multiple places. The Multi's dustbin empties in a flash, with a hands-free feature that goes right in the trash. Fairy life is short and sweet. Bissell's Multi makes memories and keeps your home neat.
And they all lived happily ever after.
Product number 4, Dyson DC34 Handheld.
DC34 is powered by the Dyson digital motor. It has twice the suction power of any other handheld in use. Like all Dyson vacuum cleaners, it has patented root cyclone technology, which uses centrifugal forces to spin dust and dirt out of the air, so there's no loss of suction. The wide debris nozzle converts to a brush tool for cleaning different surfaces. You can choose 15 minutes of high constant suction or 6 minutes in boost mode for more difficult tasks. DC34 is lightweight at just 2.9 pounds, with balanced weight distribution for easy handling. It's made from the toughest materials to withstand bumps and bashes. The powerful lithium-ion battery recharges up to 3 times faster than others and doesn't fade during use. When you've finished, the bin empties hygienically. Dyson handheld vacuums are engineered to last and are covered by a 2-year parts and labour warranty with a US-based Dyson customer support centre.
Product number 5, BLACK+DECKER BDH2000PL Max Lithium Pivot Vacuum. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.